this is Maggie with Music Mastery, and today, as a part of our Percussion Fundamental series, we're going to learn a snare drum warm-up exercise called 8 on a Hand. This is a fantastic warm-up exercise, and once you learn it, you'll be able to apply it to literally any percussion instrument you could possibly think of. Let's get going. So, 8 on a hand is pretty self-explanatory. Every note you play is going to be on one hand in groups of 8. You're not going to alternate this exercise. So, we're going to play 2 measures of eighth notes with full strokes in just your right hand. If you're not sure what a full stroke is, check out our Fundamental series video on stroke types and snare drum muscle groups. So right hand only first, we're going to play 2 measures of eighth notes, full strokes. Pretty simple. Now, you're going to play 2 measures of eighth notes with your left hand. Now let's put those together. Now you repeat that, so do that twice. So here's the whole exercise with our metronome on. At the end of the second time, you're going to play a release with whatever hand started the exercise. You can bump tempos on this to get your hands warmed up and bust your chops a little bit. You can pull tempos down to really help you warm down after practicing. This is the most versatile percussion exercise in the world. You can change the dynamics. You can do so much with 8 on a hand. So now that you know the basics, I hope you have some new things to practice and work on for your 8s.